What's up, everybody? It's your boy Mojo, aka SHOEGR Daddy, and welcome to another episode of SHOEGR Care Academy. We have these Air Jordans mids. So, हमने सोचा कि why not we showcase you one of our favorite product, SHOEGR Cleaning Wipes. ये दो packs में आता है. One is 30 and one is 15. Most of the time when I'm traveling and when I'm out, it gets difficult कि तुम साफ कैसे करोगे इन shoes को. So that is where the shoe wipes come in the game. And I keep them in my wallet, in my car. I have these two wipes out from the box, so I can just tear it. Our wipes are dual textured. The dots over here that you can see, that's where the main ingredient is. इसमें you don't have to take out the laces or anything because it's on the go. हमारे uppers काफी clean हो गए and it just took me less than a minute. You have to use this जब आपका shoe बहुत ज़्यादा गंदा नहीं है. You cannot use it when your shoe is all dirty. You gotta use the ultimate kit or the standard kit or even the essential kit. So this is just for the on-the-go cleaning. You see this? It's all clean. A quick way to clean your shoes. So this is it, guys. We just cleaned the shoe under a minute and I hope you enjoyed this video and it was insightful as well. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep it locked and let's go.